Thought I'd do an update here midday, kind of what I'm looking at. If you watched my last video, I had the invalidation for where it could fail as a second wave, and I had the levels up here. And obviously we went below that, invalidated it. And so I was looking into different possibilities. I think there's a possibility, I mean everything's a possibility with Elliott wave, but I'm currently in puts right now. And I was in calls earlier until we broke below here. I got stopped out there, and then I was kind of like annoyed because this move up here, we got to move back up here, and I was like, that's so ridiculous. Goes, it breaks to the low of the day, and then gets back 394.50. But then I was looking into this, and it looks like there's a possibility that we have an extended fifth wave, which could be 1, A, B, C, 2, and then this is a 5-wave move on the lower time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a second wave pullback. I ended up buying puts right around in here. As you can see, it's gone down about $2. Still holding them right now, but and then this move right here on the lower time frame is also a 5-wave move. I think there's a good chance that they're going to sneakily. Everyone's thinking there's going to be a second wave bounce. As long as we hold this high right here at 395.97. There's a good chance. My target for a wave 3 would be a minimum of 387, and I think there's a good chance they might take this down to 380. 380 is like the 1.23 fib of the overall A wave, so I know this is kind of congested, but if you go up here, the 1.23 fib is right around 380, and I was thinking that would be a good place for this to finish. And there's a possibility that that could be the end of the correction, and they could just do, I mean, into Powell at least. They could take it down to 380 into Powell next week, and then a possibility that we do A, B, C, and then we run into midterms. And so it's another, what is that, another like 4% down, and then we run into midterms. There's a possibility, we'll see, but that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'm not looking at any bullish scenarios after we broke the low, because if this was going to be a expanded flat, it lost it all right here, because we had I had originally A, B, C right here, and then it came down here, and I was like, what is this? An expanded flat for the B wave, it couldn't be an expanded flat. It went past the 1.23 fib. And so, yeah, I'm just looking into this being a second wave pullback to the 50% retracement of this move right here, and then the start of a move down to potentially 380. So that's how I'm playing it right now. I have puts, and I would probably sell them maybe around like, well, we'll see what happens. I might sell them early. I tend to sell things a little bit early, but I'd be looking for at least 387 to be a good target for them to sell, and then stop out above 395.95. So just a quick video of what I'm thinking right now. We'll see how this goes. It's coming back a little bit right now. I might add some more puts on this move right here, because even on the 1-minute time frame, you can see this is a 5-wave move. Well, it appears to be a 5-wave move. Let's see if this is long enough. Or if the third wave is long enough. 70, 81. So those are about the same length. I'm going to play it like it's a 5-wave move. Probably buy some more puts up here if we recorrect to the 50% retracement. And we'll see how this goes. This is just a theory that I saw, because the expanded flat wasn't working out, and so I had to go through and just kind of see what would make the most sense, and that honestly makes the most sense, an extended fifth wave. So we'll see. I will do another update at the end of the market, but if you're trying to play it like me, 395.95 would be your stop out point, and ideally you would probably want to get in here around like 393.50 at this point, and you could actually stop out right here at 394.53 now, because this is a 5-wave move, and so you'd use that as a stop. So pretty good risk reward if you get in here at like 393.50ish. Put your stop above this and then try to write it down. If we get a big move down, you can make some good money all the way down to 387. So just my thoughts for right now. I'll put another update out after the market closes.